There we go. Hello, Special Agents out there. It's me, Special Agent Jacob, reporting live in my game room. Last time we cleared Leaf Cup, and right now we're on to, you guessed it, Lightning Cup. And we're going to unlock Bowser's son, Bowser Jr. To unlock Bowser Jr., you have to complete Lightning Cup. And we're going to use Bowser. Moo Moo Meadows, Choco Mountain, Toad's Factory, and Bowser's Castle. So, let's go! There's Bowser Jr.
Hi, Dad.
Hello, Junior.
When I get up in the morning, guys, I'm gonna watch some My Childhood, you guessed it, Special Agent Oso, from the episode called Diamonds for Baseball. And tomorrow, Never Ducks. And Special Agent also has a system named Paw Pilot. And there's the Moo 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 Farms. Hey, what's the big idea? Cow's in the way.
Junior?
That lightning reminds me of the Count.
Sorry, Junior.
It's just like in Mario Kart Wii, guys. Whee! There's the windmill. It's just like in Thomas and Friends. Toby and the Windmill. Narrated by Michael Brandon. When the windmill got struck by lightning, Toby had to help the miller to fix his windmill by reusing stuff. Sorry, cow. Didn't see you. Or should I say, I didn't see you moo coming. Oh, right. Rain. The sun is coming out. Nice job, Bowser. We're ready for the next race, Bowser.
Oh yeah. Chocolate Mountain.
country version of Super Mario World. 3, 2, 1. Perfect aim.
Hello. Hi. Mario.
Ooh, Yoshi's up ahead. Let's see if we can get a costume. Milk?
Mmm.
Biker! Good thing there was railroad tracks there. Lap 2! There's Chocolate Mountain. Oh, it's in Mario Kart 64. Monster trucks! You better watch out for chocolate. You don't want to get stuck, do you? And chocolate boulders. And like I say, chocolate is really sticky. Nice dive, Bowser. For his dive, SpongeBob will be attempting banana SpongeBob with chocolate syrup. And now, absolute silence. Ice cream for ice cream! Don't enter in. Please stop doing it. Ha cha cha.
Oh no! Junior!
There's Charging Chuck.
Oh yeah!
There we go. Here we are. Toad's Factory. Oh, Steam Gardens from Mario Odyssey. Like I say, guys, in my DVD, there's gonna be 12 episodes about helping others, about learning something new. Oh, let's see what we got, and it's Pro Racer Bowser. Looks like it's really dark out. Lap 2. Oh, I see a star. Another Yoshi's restaurant. Look at that. And ooh, a drawbridge. Wait, it's a hill. Let's jump over it. Toad's Factory. It's just like in Mario Kart Wii! Wii! Whoa! A double jump, Bowser!
Uh-oh. Not again.
Well, guys, that wraps up for today. I gotta go watch. I got to watch on my phone called Special Agent Oso. OSO. The episode called Diamonds for Baseball. And Tomorrow Never Ducks. This is Jacob signing off and goodbye. Or is it Special Agent Jacob?